Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 reg BMW 420D M Sport, but this is the XDRIVE, so four-wheel drive with the automatic gearbox. Lovely car. Car's finished in metallic sapphire black and it's sat on the 19-inch double spoke M alloy wheels. Now, this being the XDRIVE system, this car has the M Sport braking system, so that's easy to tell. We've got the Estoril blue brakes on this particular model. Any vehicles which has got the M Sport braking system will have larger brake calipers and also Estoril blue brake calipers. So sapphire black metallic paint, finished in exceptional condition. Very nice mileage on this vehicle, with service documentation. Beautiful car with some fantastic options. So it's got the intelligent LED lighting system as well. So these are the sort of the angel eye type lights. We've got parking sensors front and rear and the reversing camera. This one's got the black kidney grills rather than the chrome. Just sets it off wonderfully well. Sat on the 19-inch alloy wheels, the double spokes. I don't think there's a better alloy wheel for a 4 Series or a 3 Series on BMW's option list. Looking down the sides of the car, it's in exceptional condition, no trolley dents. All the wheels are in superb order. Very good condition, this car. Parking sensors, as I've said, and then the M Sport, this one's got the black detailing around the windows, and then in the rear of the vehicle we have the privacy glass. Coming round to the back then, we've got the chrome twin tailpipes, the badge depicting the four-wheel drive system, and then the 420 diesel. Superb engine this, 4 cylinders, fantastic horsepower engine from that, arguably one of the best diesel engines on the market. Storage facility underneath the boot floor, but a lovely vehicle. Driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is in absolutely unmarked order. Wheels I've shown you, and that is lovely. Look at the wheel. You can see the Estoril on the rear brake caliper as well. Nice. Privacy glass looks great. But yeah, this car on the outside is as good as you'll get for this age. Absolutely delightful. Running on Goodyear matching tyres as well. That tells you a lot, doesn't it? Matching tyres tells you everything. Now inside, they've gone to town with it. So let's have a start and tell you what it's got. We've got power folding mirrors, factory option. Automatic dimming mirrors, family option. Harmon Kardon surround sound system inside. Then the Dakota red, coral red this Dakota leather's called. Now we've got the grey trim line there, and then we've got the lovely contrast dark stitch. 2 keys are with it, M Sport kick plates. Hopping into the vehicle then, we've got the darker slightly aluminium trim detail. This car has also got the Harmon Kardon. There we go. We do have the digital layout as well on the dashboard. So Audi call it Digital Cockpit. BMW, it is a name I can't remember. Heated seats, digital climate control CD player. As we select reverse, we get the reverse camera, parking sensors front and rear, and the parking lines. Auto dim mirror. And then the system itself, we've got the upgrade higher professional system. So we've got DAB radio, communication, we put all your details in. Menu there, we can just slide through the various menus and you click which one you want. Brilliant systems these to be honest with you. So we've got the map. You can have a screen within a screen, but I just set it to large so I can show you the features. And then if we go then to the menu and then just click to my car, there we go, my car. Go to vehicle status, and that just gives us the service history of the car. So there you go, it was serviced last at 12,157 miles, and that was on February 20. The mileage on the car now as we do the video is 30,721 miles, as the clock says. So documentation's there. Also the services are all listed in the advert, but if you need any more information, obviously, and the pictures are also in our advert. The book pack and all that's in the car, in the office. I shall put that into the car. We've got cup holders, we've got 2 keys, we've got everything. I don't smoke, never smoked, and I can tell the last keeper has not smoked in this car either. It is in perfect order. The seats are the best I've seen for a 4-year-old car. The coral red interior is a testament to the previous keepers' cherishing care. What a beautiful motor. The rear looks like it's very unused or lightly used. No doubt somebody has sat in it, but them seats look like the day they left the factory. The twin speakers as well in the Harmon Kardon in the back, and then we've got the tweeters on the back as well. The sound system in these is phenomenal. You would be well impressed indeed. Beautiful car all round. Whoever gets this gets a really great car. So 68 plate 420D XDRIVE M Sport, 30,000 miles, 2 keys, full book pack. Everything that was there when the car was new is available and is still with it now. 4 matching Goodyear Eagle tyres, M Sport high performance braking system, intelligent lighting, automatic lighting, everything you'd want. Very nicely specified car this, guys, so don't delay, give us a call as soon as you watch it. We'll take a $250 deposit, that will fully reserve it, take it off sale. We'll prepare it then to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit Wigan once. Have a look on our Facebook page, you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK doing exactly what you've done. They've reserved it online and then they've come, approved it and drove home in their new car. Have a look at our reviews. We have yet again won the highly rated for customer services with Auto Trader and Car Gurus 2022. They're verified customers who've bought cars from us. Let them tell you what the service and how we dealt with them and the care and attention that they received. I'm Graham, there's Dom and Lee in the showroom. Either one of us will be happy to help in any way. If you've got a part exchange, we'll give you a price. If you've got PCP or HP, we can give you a quote. Everything is a one-stop shop here at Alpha Motors. So thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.